TFWA's World Conference for 2024.
What a marvellous start to the week here in Cannes. 3 great speakers. So we got geopolitics from Hillary Clinton. We were just talking as a group, incredibly impressive, insightful, sharp as a tack, really interesting.
We also heard from Sam Rad, future anthropologist, some really interesting ideas and thought starters about the future of travel as well. So fantastic conference and great kick-off to the week.
I really enjoyed to see Enushi and Sari because she was really inspiring. I'm really glad that there is somebody that is thinking about our future and the sustainability of our planet.
I found the presentation from Kearney extremely useful, very convincing, and the presenter, Alex, was great and very engaging.
Very interesting to learn about shopping trends and how technology can impact the customer journey.